So that's really going to severely impact your Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. My name is Jeffrey. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna make this vlog right here to take advantage of this good lighting, because it was pretty hard to find good lighting around here. Anyway, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more content related to e-commerce, dropshipping, entrepreneurship, or if you like my content, basically. And today I just wanted to make this vlog pretty much to kind of talk about customer feedback score and how important it is for your Facebook ads. As you know, for dropshipping, Facebook ads is very important, and customer feedback score is basically feedback from your customers on the experience they've had from buying from your store. And usually if they've had a bad experience, which is the case usually for dropshipping, they would actually give you negative ratings, and like for example, they would give you 1 star on shipping or quality, things like that. And as you know, for Chinese suppliers, they tend to not really focus on quality too much. I'm not saying it's most of the cases and all of the cases, but usually for like lower end and lower ticket items, usually they wouldn't care much or too much about the quality, and so that's really going to severely impact your customer feedback score. And usually what happens as well is when you reach it below or 2 or so, Facebook actually starts to penalize you, which means you're paying the same amount for basically paying the same amount for less people, which results to higher CPMs, cost per impressions, and higher CPCs and higher lower click-through rates actually. And that's really going to be detrimental, because if you're just relying on Facebook as your source of traffic, then it's really going to affect your sales and affect your revenue numbers, and therefore your profit. So there's 2 things you can get from this. 1 is you should always diversify your traffic, and 2, the fact that you should actually take care of your customer feedback. And usually this means actually caring about the experience from shipping and the quality, and that's going to be very important if you want to build a long-term brand and a sustainable dropshipping business, is to really take care of the customer feedback and actually care about your customers, rather than just scale to large numbers and you're going to face the consequences at the end. The reason why I'm sharing this is also because I'm actually being penalized myself, and I just want you guys to learn from my mistakes. I only found out about my customer feedback score recently, the past 2 weeks or so, and it was at a whopping 1.6 out of 5, which is very bad. And what's worse is that it dropped even more because of more negative ratings. But the funny thing is, like, it's not even related sometimes to like the shipping experience. It's just like, oh, your return policy sucks, I'm giving you 1 star. Sometimes it just has to be like that, and there's not much you can do. But other than that, like, there's actually, you have control over it, but you just have to bear in mind and be more wary of the shipping times, the quality, and the customer service. These are usually the 3 metrics to look at for customer service. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little vlog to tell you guys how important it is if you want to keep using Facebook ads. It's not to say that it's the end of the world once your ad account gets disabled and you have a low feedback score. I'm just saying that you should try right now, if you have a decent feedback score, to try to maintain it, or keep it at a high level, so you don't really put your business at risk if you are actually running Facebook ads only, which is going to be your main traffic source for dropshipping anyway. So be wary, and don't make the mistakes that I did, and make sure you are maintaining your high feedback score to kind of make your business sustainable in the long run. So that's it for me. Thanks guys for watching and tuning in, and if you're new here, subscribe and comment down below what you think, or if you've experienced this yourself. So yeah, take care guys.